So welcome to Techie Rocker. You're watching this video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to properly install Windows 11 and what problems you might get. I'm going to show you all about the requirements of Windows 11, TPM security and the secure boot, and in the end I will also show you the perfect way to install Windows 11. So keep watching this video. So here you can see the requirements page, and you can see for installation UEFI disk and secure boot capable, and also the TPM security chip version 2.0. So to check, just open the device manager, and in the device manager open the security devices, and here you can see trusted module 2.0. So for downloading Windows 11, here you can see the link of it, and there are three options to install Windows 11: the Assistant, Windows Assistant, and the Media Creation Tool, and the ISO of Windows 11. So here you can see I'm going to check the ISO option. So just download like you normally download. So the first thing, you will install Windows 11 by make a bootable pen drive and use any software like Rufus. So I'm going to show you what problems you might get. So just open the Rufus, select the ISO. I've already downloaded. This is the Windows 11 ISO, and this is the stable version of Windows 11 that launched. And you have to select the UEFI, that is a GPT partition, and you must ensure your disk is formatted as GPT. MBR not supported in Windows 11. So after installation, here you can see the warning dialog box that says you have to NTFS UEFI bootloader, and you must disable secure boot to install Windows 11. So you have to disable the secure boot, but Windows 11 requirement says you have to enable secure boot to install Windows 11 successfully. So that's the problem, and here you can see, and you have to shut down and go to the BIOS, and let's check. UEFI is enabled and my device is showing in the UEFI, and the secure boot is enabled. So when you select the legacy mode, the secure boot is completely disappear. So just select back to UEFI and let's boot it. So here you can see the warning that UEFI disk has been blocked by the current security policy. So when secure boot is enabled, you can't easily install any operating system from pen drive or any other third-party installation. And now the installation window is open, no problem. But when you install and go to the process, and when you select this Windows 11 Pro, this might come that this PC can't run Windows 11. So this is the warning that you can't install because secure boot is disabled. So now the third method is by installing the Windows Media Creation Tool. So download it and open it, and make sure you have plugged in your pen drive of more than 8 GB or 8 GB. So select the settings that's suitable for you. Just next and select the USB drive and select your volume, and now wait for it. This will download Windows 11 fully, and this can depends on your internet. So after successfully downloading and installation, this might take an hour or maybe 2 hours. So here you can see the, so let's restart and go to the BIOS. So make sure to enable everything that Windows 11 wants, UEFI and secure boot enabled. So let's save it and exit to the boot menu. Select pen drive and boom. So the installation window is appear with no problem, and select the language and everything that you want. And this is the final option to install Windows 11 on a supported hardware with no problem and no issue. So go to the process and format your disk. Make sure it's in the GPT partition, not in the MBR partition. Format and install. So after a really nice Windows 11 logo and the sound, just make sure check out some settings, and this is the final steps. It will ask for a local account to create an offline account, but if you skip, then you can enter your Microsoft account and sync your settings. So make sure to skip and log in your Microsoft account. So yeah, we're ready to go. And the next video on the Windows 11 features and the Windows 11 hidden features will come. The next video is going to be on Windows 11. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And see you guys in the next video.